So guys, there you have it. The car is done. The W205 is finished. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. In this episode, actually, you know what? You guys got in the comments on my last episode on my 2015 Mercedes C-Class, and you said you want to see another episode, so here it is. This is going to be the final episode on this car. There's a ton of work to get through. We're going to be polishing, we're going to be finishing off all these little bits of plastic covers, we're going to be getting it tinted, because this car is going to leave the channel, but you never know, stay tuned, you might see it at a later date. I've got something up my sleeve, but that's all I'm going to say for now. But anyway, welcome back to the channel. My name is D. If you're new here, what I do is I take salvage cars and I rebuild them. I put a lot of hard work, hard graft, and this is going to be, I'm smiling because I'm happy. My car is working. It's been so much headache with this car, but now we're on the other side, and this is what it's all about. And trust me, look at my face, I'm happy. Anyway, let's go get the car out. We're going to bring it into the garage. We're going to flat that paint. If you haven't seen the last episode, go check them out. There's about 7 episodes on this car that will explain everything up to this point, so it will be good to go back to my playlist and check out the Black W205 playlist, and everything is in there. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed those drone shots. Trust me, I can laugh now, but whilst filming, getting the car in, it's a very windy day today and my drone just flew away. I was like, come on, come on. But anyway, I've got my drone back and I'm happy. So time to continue on my beautiful 2015 Mercedes W205. And what I need to do, have a look at this paintwork. It's so crisp, and we have not polished. We haven't flattened and polished this just as yet, but we're going to be doing that now. So I've got a couple of sheets of 2000 grit sandpaper. I'm going to water sand this entire area, and then we're going to just really take our time, and I want to polish the entire car. It's going to be so nice. And then I'm going to go ahead and just buff out all the chrome bits, and then we can... And then I've just got some plastic bits to pop in on the interior before my tinting guy comes down and put on some tint on the car. So let's get into that. guys, so we spent all day polishing the entire car, and before I show you the final result of that, I've got my in-house tinting guy. He's just turned up. He's got all his bits there. He's ready to go. So we're going to be tinting. What are we tinting on the back and the front?
5% at the back, 35 at the front.
So we're hitting 5% on the back, 35 at the front, just to keep it legal. But trust me, it's just really going to set off this car. I've already got a buyer in mind, and the buyer has requested to have it tinted. Like, normally I wouldn't just tint a car, but the buyer in mind has asked us to get it tinted, so we're going to be getting this car tinted. So let's do that. So guys, there you have it. The car is done. The W205 is finished. Trust me, it was a lot of hard work, but it was worth it because just take a look at the car now. And it's actually crazy because no matter what angle you look at this car from, it just looks amazing. The front end came out really nice. We've done a polish on that silver lip, and trust me, I hope you guys saw it on camera. The before and after shots was just crazy. There was so much buildup of dust over the years. I don't know where it came from, but look at that front end, it looks amazing. In this episode, we've done the tints, we've done the full polish, and there's nothing more that we can do with this car now. I am very happy with the way it's come out, but I want to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think of the car now, what you think of the build. Like, this is the true definition of keeping it moving, and this is why I always say it. I put it on a hat, I put it on a t-shirt, that is my motto. Keep it moving, man. Like, this car gave me so much headache at certain points through the build, but we were able to overcome all of that, and now we're here. This is gonna go to a new owner, and this is it. You're not gonna see it on the channel anymore. Actually, you may see it in a future video, I'm not sure. I've got some things in planning that I'm trying to pull together. It's gonna be quite exciting, and you may be seeing this car again. But for now, this is it on the W205 on Salvage Nation, and yeah, I am happy, man. Like, just tell me what you think. So guys, I reckon I've done everything that I can do for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. This is where I'm gonna check out. Stay tuned for another episode. This week is all about closing off all of my builds. And then next week, I've got something new coming for you guys. And then the week after that, I'm gonna be headed down to Copart. I'm gonna be doing something really exciting, really special with them. So stay tuned for that. But for now, the only thing I need to do is, it's a sunny day out, get my sunglasses on, open up the roof on this bad boy, and just enjoy it. So this is where we're gonna head off. So like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out.